Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on Binance. So if Binance is not sending you the verification code by SMS or email, just follow these simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try again. Next, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off again by tapping on the airplane icon on the control center. After that, make sure you enter the correct phone number or email linked to your Binance account. Next, check if the Binance app needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for Binance and tap on Update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the Binance app. For that, you need to press and hold the Binance app icon, tap on Remove app and then delete it. Then you can reinstall it again from the App Store and then try requesting for a verification code. If these steps still don't help you, you can try restarting your phone. Press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power slider appears. Slide to power off your phone, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on again. Lastly, the problem could be from Binance's servers or security system. If their servers are under maintenance or there is high traffic, verification codes may not be sent properly for some time. So those were some easy ways to fix verification code not received issue on Binance. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.